Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for the gold standard break for tonight. It's 3:09:34 PM Melbourne time. Randoms live. Dice roll for participants. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Teams now. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Random is complete now. Got Steve Hockey with Jazz. I'll put it here. I'll read them out. We got Steve Hockey with Jazz, Dale or Luke Young Spurs, Sean Andrews Blazers, Allen Mavericks, Blake Riley Pacers, Dale Bucks, Sean Coote Clippers, Cannon Bulls, Dale Cavs, Steve Hockey Rockets, Dally Wizards, Ernie Warriors, Sean Andrews with Knicks and Thunder, Dally with the Nets, Dale with Grizzlies, Sean Andrews with Magic, Steve Hockey with Hornets, Mercer with Kings, Todd Faulkner with Wolves, Heel with Heat, Sean Andrews with Suns, Steve Hockey with Pelicans, Leo with Pistons, Steve Hockey with Nuggets, Cannon with Raptors, Todd Faulkner with Lakers, Steve Hockey with Sixers, Blake Riley with Celtics, and Michael Green with the Hawks. That's it.